In the U.S., commercial buildings alone waste as much as $50 billion per year in energy costs. Plugging an energy drain this big will take a revolution in building energy use. The City of Seattle High Performance Building Pilot is creating real-time energy savings using smart building tools that automatically detect anomalies in energy consumption. The pilot teams up the City of Seattle's Office of Economic Development, Seattle 2030 District, Seattle City Light, Microsoft, and Accenture, which have set out to prove it's easier than people think to improve energy efficiency and save money.
The Seattle 2030 District helps connect members to a lot of building and energy tools and incentives that they don't necessarily know about.
Working to grow the Seattle 2030 District and increase market awareness of new technologies to improve energy efficiency, the High Performance Building Pilot installs sensors throughout the buildings. Dashboards then show which equipment fixes will save the most money. The pilot buildings are so far saving 5 to 15% of their total energy bills. The University of Washington has 2 buildings in the pilot.
Before we implemented the pilot project, we performed maintenance on the systems, but we didn't have a lot of detailed analytics as to what was really happening and the best time to make changes. This program has given us more real-time information as to how the building is running and how to save energy dollars.
Across town, the Sheraton is using this information to prevent problems before they happen.
Looking at the analytics tools, we can do predictive maintenance versus waiting for that guest to call and complain that the room is too warm and then finding out the fan terminal unit has failed and there's nothing we can really do for them. Now we can look at that and get that data ahead of time. And so not only are we saving money and energy, but we're creating return business because people know when they come here they're going to be comfortable in their environment.
At Boeing, information from this pilot will be shared to make other buildings more efficient.
Boeing's committed to building fuel-efficient aircraft, and so we're trying to make sure our buildings are also energy efficient. So we're trying to leverage the smart building technology here in Seattle to understand the potential for our facilities across the country.
These technologies often create very good energy savings with a very positive return on investment. And if that can happen here in Seattle, where we have one of the lowest energy costs in the country, then it could potentially produce great financial savings in any building across the US.